In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Adobe fonts in Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Webflow, how to connect your Adobe Fonts account with an API token, and how to make those fonts appear in your project. First, head to your Webflow dashboard and open your list of sites. Choose the site you want to work on, then open its site settings. From there, go to the Fonts section. You'll see two main areas: Google Fonts and Adobe Fonts. The Google Fonts area lets you choose fonts from a list and preview them on Google Fonts. If a font isn't in that list, it usually means it's already built into Webflow. After adding a Google font here, refresh your site settings so it appears in the designer. Today, though, we're focusing on Adobe Fonts. Scroll to the Adobe Fonts section. You'll see a prompt to use Adobe Fonts in this Webflow site by adding an API token. There's also a note that you can set a token at the Workspace level under Integrations if you want it available for all sites. Click into the Token field, paste your Adobe Fonts API token, and save. If you already have a token, that's it for this part. If you don't have a token yet, click the link to create and retrieve Adobe Fonts API tokens on the Adobe Fonts account page. Sign in to Adobe Fonts, or create an account if you're new. In your Adobe Fonts account, generate an API token and copy it. While you're there, find the fonts you want to use and add them to a web project. Name the project clearly so you recognize it later. Return to Webflow's Site Settings, paste the API token in the Adobe Fonts section, and save. Give the page a quick refresh. You should now see a drop-down where you can select your Adobe web project. Choose the project that contains the fonts you added, then save your changes. Open the Webflow designer for your site and go to Typography. Your Adobe fonts will now appear in the font list, ready to apply to headings, paragraphs, and any text element. If you don't see them immediately, refresh the designer or clear your browser cache. After applying your fonts, publish your site to confirm they render correctly in production. That's the full workflow. Navigate to Site Settings, open Fonts, add or retrieve your Adobe Fonts API token, select your web project, and then apply the fonts in the designer. Save often, refresh when prompted, and you'll have